Okay. Plus sign. You rotated your screen here.
Yes, sir.
You just explain.
Sir, is it all right now?
Yeah, yeah. Come down, come down. You're using mobile phone, appa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You just expand that what you written. So cos of A minus B formula edupanga. Others just make a note, those who are not done. So just try to analyze such kind of problems, try to implement using trigonometric formula. So you can easily go with your periodic, non-periodic. Since they are given in that fashion, so it is like A minus B fashion. Yeah. Cos A, cos B plus sin A sin B.
Cos
Na?
A,
What
cos
you
B plus sin A. Yes, sir.
Okay. So A is pi pi t and B is pi by 4. That implementation is done there. Okay. Then
And express the amplitude in terms of the, the cos pi by 4 and the sin pi by 4, sir.
okay, good. Come
4
down.
by
Come
root
down.
2 and 4 by.
Okay. I think B section are not joined here. Are they joined, guys? Only Jayant is there. 57. Jayant, where are others, man? I have shared the link, I think, right? Okay, let me ask them once more. Yeah, Jayant, you explain them. You explain them. I'll just post the link for them.
Yes, sir.
After expanding that formula, you just show what has happened.
I've written it as 4 by root 2, which is, I've derived it from cos pi by 4 and sin pi by 4, and expressed it as 4 by root 2 cos pi, 5 pi t and plus 4 by root 2 sin 5 pi t. And then I get it as 2 pi f1 of t, which is, I deduce it into the form of 2 pi f1 into t is equal to 5 pi t. And then I get the frequency as 5 by 2 and time period as 2 by 5. So similarly, I did it for 2 pi f2 t is equal to 5 pi t. And then in turn, I get it as f2 is equal to 5 by 2 and t2 is equals to 2 by 5. So hence the ratio which I get is 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 5, and which is equal to 1. So hence I concluded that the signal is periodic with the period 1.
Okay, you found capital T as 1, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, others, is it fine? What your friend explained? Is it okay? Jayant, you just scroll from top to bottom once, so that they will glance once more. Yeah, if anybody have doubt, you can ask here. From the beginning, yeah. Just go ahead. So whenever you find such kind of problem, try to implement your trigonometric formula, everyone, and just compare as your friend told. One side, it's blur, it's blur.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it's fine. Yeah. So after expanding, your friend has compared with your formula and he found f1, f2, that is nothing but t1, t2 ratio. And from that, you got time period as 1. So since it is rational number, you can justify it's a periodic and you can find the time period as capital T as 1. Is it okay till here? Yeah, good, Jen.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Any doubts, anyone? Any other doubts from module number 1? If you have, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll teach you some other extra problems. USN number 57, I'm audible for you? 57. Okay. Yeah, so let's go ahead. So any doubts? Shall I proceed? Okay. So shall I go ahead here, everyone? If anybody have doubts with model number 1, you can ask. Is it paint visible? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's proceed with different type of problem. Okay, what on the question, guys? So let me solve all mixture problems now. Find find energy stored in the waveform shown below. Find the energy shown in the waveform below. Is it okay? Return the question, everyone. Find the energy stored in the waveform shown below. Is it okay? So the waveform is given like this. Just make a note. Just check out, is it visible what I'm writing? So -3, -2, -1. This is followed by 1, 2, and 3. Right? So you have 0 here. So they are given signal like this. So from -3 till -2, we have ramp signal. It is continuous till 2 and it dips at 3. So how it looks, guys? So there is some name for this type of graph. Can anyone tell me? So this is a given x of t with amplitude 1. So I hope everyone remember there is a word called trapezium. Do you remember? So is it like that? Is it like a trapezoidal waveform?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a given question, guys. So you're supposed to find the energy stored in this given waveform. So it is a trapezoid. So now what is the thing you are going to find? That is the first task. So it's a 6 marks question. Yeah, I'm asking, I'm waiting for your answers. How to proceed? So they're just given a signal for you. So how to find energy signal? See, they only given themselves this trapezium. You are supposed to use energy only. So there is no need to identify that this waveform is periodic or non-periodic. Then go ahead with the 3 steps. So they themselves given a waveform and they ask you to find the energy. So whenever you find such type of problem, what is the thing you're supposed to do? So what is the formula for energy? At least you remember that. Can anyone tell me what is the formula for energy?
Integral from -infinity to infinity.
Good. Minus infinity to plus infinity.
X of t the whole square into dt.
X of t whole square into dt. Magnitude is there now.
Yes, sir.
So this
Modulus
magnitude
of
square into dt. So this is the formula. Okay. So now to solve this problem, what should be known? We should be known what is my x of t. Correct now? Unless until you don't know what is x of t, I can't use this formula to solve the problem. Is this first point clear to everyone? Is it okay, guys? Is
Yes,
this first
sir.
form? Good. So now you got a target that if I able to get x of t my energy. Is it audible now? I think some network issue. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So what was I was telling? So till your formula you got right. So then what I told, if you able to solve what is this x of t equation wise by using this waveform, then only we can dump the things here and I can get the answer. Okay. So now you should tell me how to find this x of t. Look at the diagram and tell me carefully how to write this type of problems in terms of equation. Observe the question carefully and tell me how many types of difference you can see in the waveform. So there is a increasing ramp from where to where? From -3 to -2.
-3
Correct
to
now?
-2, sir.
Good. So -3 to -2 I have a increasing ramp. Then I have a constant signal from where to where, guys? From
From
-2 to +2, sir.
good, -2 to +2. Then again I have dip ramp. Then again I have a dipping ramp from 2 to
3.
3, sir.
good. So is it what the three different signals what we are supposed to identify to solve this problem? Am I clear with the first point, everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So now you should tell me what equation I should write for the first one. So increasing ramp with respect to interval -2 to +2. So what is the equation now? Look at this diagram and tell me -3 to +2 there is a ramp like this. So you
R of t plus 3.
R of t plus 3. Very good. So you hope understood the logic now? Is it t plus 3? Yes or no, yeah? See, everyone remember the ramp function, right? So ramp function is like this. So what I wrote from like this. So if you want the signal to occur in this way, then obviously I should use a time shifting concept. So time shifting, which concept you will implement? You will go with which one? Advancing, correct?
Advanced, sir.
Good. So advancing by how much you should justify? You can justify using the interval. So you can see the cursor what I'm tracing here. So it says -3. So it means if you want to get it -3, I need to delay by 3. So if we perform t -3, is it like this only? I hope you understood, right? Yes or no? Any doubts, anyone? Am I clear with the first signal? How to write a equation to everyone? Is it okay? Is it okay, guys?
Yes.
I'm audible. Okay, fine. So now you tell me what is the thing I can write for -2 to +2. The signal is constant. So what equation we can write for a constant? What is the meaning?
U of t plus 2, sir.
Nothing but it's
U of
1.
t, sir.
You can represent u of t. Nothing but amplitude is 1. That is enough for me, right? See what exactly I want? I want x of t. Again, if you write u of t as x of t, what you will write while doing integration? I will change the limit depending upon the time interval from -2 to +2, and I'm going to integrate. Agree? Is it okay? So you should not take less than concept here. So less than it won't come because it is unit step function. Am I clear till here, everyone? Is it okay, guys? Any doubts, anyone, how we wrote the first two? See, this interval is very, very important because of this formula. So you have to split this x of t as x1 of t for the interval -3 to -2, do integration. Then x2 of t as 1. So you can integrate with respect to -2 to +2, and last x3 as +2 to +3. Is it okay till here? So now you should tell me what is the last waveform. So observe the things carefully and tell me. So this is not delay version, this is something else. So if it was delay, it went like this. It would have went like this, but now it is reverse operation. So what should have happened here?
Minus
What I
3
should take?
minus t minus 3, sir.
Minus t,
Minus 3.
is it sure? Check out once properly.
minus t plus 3, sir.
Plus 3. Correct? Huh? If you able to write minus t plus 3, it means what?
Mirror image.
It means 3 minus t. You can do what? I told you two things, right? One thing, you can plot t plus 3 first. So t plus 3 already got, just now we got, right? If you do mirror image, is it how it looks? Yes or no, yeah?
Yes.
Sir.
So similarly, you can perform one more thing I told. You can perform minus t first. So you can perform minus t. What is minus t? So it is like this. So this is minus t. So for this, I told you delay by 3. So is it same answer? Is it same answer? I hope
Yes,
everyone remember this shifting concept, right? So that is what we can project. So while writing in this, I can write expression as 3 minus t. Or if you write minus 3 plus t, nothing but same only. Is it okay? Is it okay to everyone? So this is like a minus b whole square formula, right? When you apply your formula x of t whole square, both will be like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. You can apply your a square plus b square minus 2ab formula. So before that, we go to this formula to find energy. Any doubts, anyone, how we wrote this expression? If you have doubt, you have to clear it out, because further in the exam you are supposed to solve, you should know the logic. So only waveform will be given. From that waveform, how you have to calculate, it's left to you. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now shall we proceed? So if you understand this much, then remaining part will be easier for you. See, if you're able to get this equation, then we have a formula with us. Just I told you, right? Split it as x1, x2, x3, x4. If it is 4 times, now it is only 3, right? So you can get your energy. E is equals to, split everything, apply your integration and tell me the answer. So I'll just show you how to split. So first interval is from -3 to -2. So this is where your intervals plays a major role. So what is the corresponding equation for this? So this is like t plus 3 whole square. Sarendra, is it 3 plus 3 whole square? Because x of t is t plus 3, for that whole square is there. Look at the formula. So I can write as t plus 3 whole square into dt. This is my first function. Plus, next, integration -2 to +2. So x of t is 1. If you do 1 square, it is 1 only, into dt. I hope you're understanding, right? If anybody have doubt, you should ask here. Plus integration, last signal is -2 to, sorry, +2 alappa, +2 to +3. So what is the thing we wrote here? We wrote 3 minus t. So this is x of t. for this whole square will come into dt. So I hope from now onwards you can proceed and get the answer for me. Just apply your normal integration. Before that, expand the formula. It's like a plus b whole square, guys. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So apply for both, simplify and tell me what is the answer. So I want everyone to do it and finish it off. So if you have any doubt, let me know. Anybody have any issues? How we solve this problem? Let me know, guys. If not, finish it off.
Recording in progress.
So what is the first answer? Simplified, what is the integration you'll get? First one. After expanding this, what is the integration answer you got? So is it t square plus 60 plus 9 before applying integration? Everyone. It's a square, so it's t square plus 9 plus 60. So for this, we are supposed to do integration. My voice is audible to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what after expanding, right? So you just tell me what is the integration answer for this, everyone? So what is integration of t square? In general, t power n is what? T power n divided by t power n plus 1 divided by n.
T cube.
So I can write this as t cube by 3. So the formula is t power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So 2 cube plus 3. Good. Amala. Plus
6 t square by 2.
So 6 is constant. You can keep out. So remaining is t square by 2. Good.
90,
Amala.
sir.
You'll get 90.
90.
Integration of 1 is t alva.
Yes, sir.
So we'll get 90. Okay. So you can apply your limit now from -3 to -2. Check out this individual answer. See, parallel you should do the remaining two also. You solve for this also. I was just showing for the first one to explain how it looks. So what is second answer? What is integration of 1? 1 is a constant, nothing but again integration of t only. So you have to apply integration for this t for a limit of -2 to +2. And what about last one, guys? So was it t square minus 60 plus 3? Yes or no? T square for this answer I'm filling t square minus 60 plus 9. Sarinapa. So what is the answer for this integration after doing integration? So is it t cube divided by 3, t cube divided by 3 minus 6t square by 2. Six t square by 2 plus 90. Is it okay? So after applying limit and applying these things, what is the final answer you got, guys? Anyone finished? Can anyone tell me what is your energy now? Yes. What's the answer, guys? Still you're doing? Is it done? Is it done? I'm not getting answers. Yes, guys. I'm audible. Any problem in network here? Am I audible to everyone or not? Any disturbance in the voice? Yeah, Jayant, is it audible? No one is hearing to me. Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the answer, Jayant? Everyone solved the problem. What is the answer?
50/3, sir.
Sir, is it 14/3 joules, sir?
Yeah, 14/3. Someone told some other answer?
Yes, sir. 50/3.
50 alla. You will get 14 here. 14/3.
Okay, sir.
Just check out once, Bharat. So just tell me what is the
Yes,
first equation? I think it is. So is it 19/3 into 2? First one after applying upper limit, lower limit. First limit answer. Tell me. After applying upper limit minus lower limit for the first term, what is the answer you got, Jayant?
Sir, for the first one, we get it as 30. No, sir. I just splitted it, sir.
Okay, no problem. So final answer you told 14/3, right?
Yes, sir.
So others just check out. Is it got the same answer? Is it 14/3 joule? Is energy stored across this waveform? Everyone got same answer or no different answer? Is it okay? Others, is it fine? We got same answers. Abir, audible? Shreyas?
Yes, sir.
Solve ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ a second. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Okay, just check out. Yeah, Bharat, did you got 14/3? You told some other answer, right?
Yes, sir. 14 by 3, sir.
Okay, fine. Girls, Bhargavi. Harshita.
Sir, I got 20 by 3. I'm again cross checking it, sir.
Yeah, do it, do it. So be careful while applying upper limit, lower limit. If you want to split it and do, you apply t cube by 3 separately, t 6 t square by 2 3 separately, then 9 separately. So in your 9 is a 90 is one term. You can split and tell me the answer, not an issue. So let me come back. Let me write the answer. After applying for the first term, so I think you told t cube by 3 whole square is first one, Jan. I think you have split it like
Yes,
this. So t cube by 3, you have applied your upper limit, lower limit logic, minus 3 to minus 2. So this is one term. Sign up. So any of plus
Yes,
6
sir.
is there. Over here only you can make 2 3s are 6. So you can make it to 3t square here itself. So 3t square, apply minus 3 minus 2. So this is the way we can solve. Plus 9 is constant there, and for t I should apply minus 3 to minus 2. Yeah. So now tell me what is the answer for this? For the first term, what we are applying? Okay.
So the first term is 90.
Just one second. Help. How much?
First term is 19 by 3, sir.
So 19 by 3. Good. So this is 19 by 3. Okay. Second one.
Second is minus 15, sir.
Okay, minus 15. Let me use the bracket. Okay. Good. Last one.
And plus 9, sir.
Plus 9 Bharata. Okay. So this is the
Yes,
answer
sir.
you got for the first part. Is it okay? So next thing is what? I think plus 4 Bharata.
Yes,
You
sir.
have
Plus 4.
4.
Sir.
Yeah. Next. After that, I think same answers will repeat. Only plus minus will get replica here. Okay. So I think again you'll get 19 by 3. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So then again you will get minus 15. Only changes with plus 9, I think. Instead of plus 9, you'll get minus 9. Or
No,
that is
sir. We
also
get
plus
it as 9 itself, sir.
9 only. Okay. So everything look like this. So that's why I told at the beginning, you will get 2 times of 19 by 3, 2 times of minus 15 and 2 times of 9. Correct? Is it okay, guys? So this is how it looks. So that is what I told at the beginning. You will get 2 times of 19 by 3. You can look at both ends here, right? So you can take things like this also. Okay. So again plus 2 times you have minus 15 and 2 times you have 9 and 4 will remains as it is. So 2 times into 9 plus 4. So is it what? If you solve this, check out, are you going to get 14 by 3 as answer? Everyone. Is it okay or not? Still any doubts? Have you got the same answer? Bharat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashita, Bantapa?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, that's what I told. See, if you're able to solve the first one, the last one, first one remains same in this equation, right? You can replica. So twice, plus minus will get vary, and you can write the things. Instead of writing a split part, if you write this much also, it's okay. If you write this much also, it's okay. 2 times also, you can write directly. Is it okay till here? Shall I move on to the next problem?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So this is one more type of problem what you can expect in exam. So just have awareness. So whenever they are not given any equations, if they are given only sketch and they ask you to find energy or power, stick on with the procedure. Okay. So read on next one. So x of n is given. So I want you to solve this. X of n is equal to, just check out have we solved this problem. If not, you can go ahead. So 2 power n into u of n plus 1. I think this problem is not solved. Minus u of n minus 4. Is it solved, guys? So for this, you are supposed to sketch the following. So this question is based on sketch. So they have asked you to sketch 4. So it will be 8 marks. So each sketch carries 2 marks. So you're supposed to sketch the following. Sketch the following. So first one. Question is visible?
Yes.
y1 of n is equal to x of n minus 3. I think we solved something else. 8 power n, I think we have solved. Correct, na? In the normal classes when we did. So 8 power n into some u of concept we are done. So similar type is this one more problem you try to solve. So y2 of n y2 of n is equal to x of n plus 1. X of n plus 1. Then third one. So first tell me what is the answer for x of n. How to get x of n? If you are able to write x of n sketch, then remaining you will do, I know. So getting x of n is a task. So that will be extra 2 more marks. So total marks will be 10. Sketching x of n 2 marks and sketching individual will get 2 marks. So it will go till 10 marks. So this is how you can expect in the exams. They are not going to give 1 or 2. They will going to give in a group. So y4 of n also they have asked. Yes, can anyone tell me how x of n looks? So you want x of minus n minus 2. So get me x of n, guys. If you get that, then this part you will do, I know. Yeah. Anyone sketched x of n? Show me how x of n look like. So what is the procedure we'll follow to find x of n?
We substitute the individual values of n, sir.
Good. So first, if you take n is equal to 0, so n is equal to 0. Substitute here, so it's 2 power 0 nothing but 1. So u of 1 minus u of minus 4. What is the answer? What is x of n? What is x of 0 now? Substitute n is equal to 0 here and tell me what is the answer. 0 here, 0 here, and this is 2 power 0. So 2 power 0 is 1, and this is like u of 1 minus u of minus 4. What is the answer, guys? So this become plus. So u of 1 plus u of 1. So the value is how much? What is the value of x of 0? Why so much time? Any difficulties is there, yeah? What is x of n, guys? X of 0? Why there is no response today? Any disturbance network?
You have 5, sir.
Estapa, you are?
5.
U of 5 means how much? 1 only, right? So for, see, we know the condition for 0, from 0 till plus infinity, whatever values you are going to get, each is having amplitude of 1 only. So if you get U of 3, U of 4, U of 5, whatever it is, the value is 1 only. Okay, na? So you're going to get for n is equal to 0 as the first answer is 1. So same way you check out for both positive as well as negative values and tell me, do we get the signal in both the sides or only one side? Check out for negative values also, because I should check the signal exists or not. Check out for n is equal to -1. N is equals to -1. Anyone got the answer? Why everyone silent here? What is the answer for x of n is equal to 0? Sorry, if n is equal to -1, what is your x of -1? X of -1 is equal to how much?
1/2 into U of 5, sir.
1/2. Okay, 1/2 into U of
5.
5.
U of 5 is 1. So 1/2 is how much? So it's 0.5 tane?
Yes,
So
sir.
it means for -1 you are going to get 0.5 signal with amplitude like this. Artha agtidiya? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Okay, check out for -2 also. Check out for -2. See, we need to know whether it exists or not. If it exists, then you can write. Otherwise, you can stop and you can go with the positive values. Check out for -2 once. Substitute n is equal to -2 and tell you any answer you will get.
0.25, sir.
0.25. So it is dipping, I think, correct? Huh? So 0.25
Yes, sir.
less than this. Good. So -3. So till you get 0, you can tell the answer. So I think next one will be 0. Yeah, just check out. So -2, you told it is -0.25, sir. Good. For -3, see, if you sketch x of n, then remaining you can do easily. That is what the thing I want to understand. So for -3, is it 0 completely?
0.125, sir.
Okay, it is less than this. Good. So it is approaching towards 0. Fine. Next, -4.
0.0625.
Okay, it is not exactly 0 now. Fine. -5.
0.03, sir.
It is almost 0. So from here onwards, you can stop. So don't need to go further, because next if you do, it will be 0 only. Correct? Huh? Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So just check out what did you understand, everyone not? So whatever x of n is given, by substituting values of n, we can sketch the things. So you got an idea, rough idea, that how exactly the signal look likes. Okay. So similarly, can you tell me for the positive values now? If you take n is equals to 1, n is equals to 2, n is equal to 3, so on. So how much sample you taken here? Same way we'll keep few samples. So till 4 and 5 we'll try to get, because I wrote till -5, I think. Yeah. So take 4 and 5. So what is the answer for 1? So if you substitute 1, it is 2 power. Good. So you can see here itself, it become 2 power nothing but 2, remaining is 1. So amplitude for 1 is 2. Good. Then for 2, for 2 is it 4? Good.
4.
For 2 it is 4. For 3, 8.
Yes, sir.
So you can look at here towards positive side, will be keep getting only. There is no end towards positive side because it is increasing. Here it was decreasing towards negative, so we went till 5. So you can take this much also, okay. So if you take this much signal, it's enough. So for this x of n, you can plot the remaining. So this you can finish it off now. I hope everyone got the logic. Yes or no, yeah? Is it
Yes, sir.
okay? Okay. So try to finish off this. So sketch, I hope you have made a note, wrote in the sketches individually what they have asked. After plotting x of n, try to plot y1, y2, y3 and y4. So just make a note of question. So let me stop share screening. Have you taken that snap or you will make a note? Is it okay? So x of n minus 3, n plus 1, minus n plus 4, minus n minus 2. So that will tell you how to sketch the things. So I hope everyone fine. So still if any topics, if you have difficulty, you just ask me. We can take one revision class, not an issue. Is it okay guys? Till here to everyone?